IFD is the Interactive Foundation for Deaf. Their aim is accessibility. It was started in 2016 in Malappuram, Kerala. Hearing Muslim community have different phrases they use to communicate according to their culture. What about deaf? The sign language becomes their way to gain accessibility. Muslim culture, Muslim way of living, and teachings about Islam are given by them. Muhammad Shafiq and Fasat Rahman for 4 months planned the entire program. Their aim was to call 5 Muslim leaders from each state in India. 2 to 3 leaders from 16 states attended the program. This program was held in Indore. Muhammad Shafiq hosted the program. The program was held on 1st, 2nd and 3rd March 2019. On 1st March 2019, an introduction and the background about IDF was given. Shafiq also gave a lecture about Indian Sign Language related to Islam. He said that for different words people use Indian Sign Language and they also copied signs from Saudi Arabia. He said that people are using a mixture of signs from India and Saudi Arabia, which is not good. People must use Indian Sign Language for terms related to Islam. A discussion was held and Shafiq gave a lecture about this. On 2nd March 2019, a lecture was given about unity between different Muslim leaders in India. Fasat Rahman gave a lecture about the many phrases in the Quran. Out of those, he chose 150 phrases. Everyone participated in the discussion and the signs of 40 phrases were finalized. Signs for the remaining 110 phrases are still remaining. For the finalized 40 phrases, earlier people communicated using signs copied from Saudi Arabia. During the discussion, Indian signs for these 40 phrases were found. For the hearing community, the spoken phrases of the Quran are same all over the world. This is same for communication between deaf Muslims. When talking to people from other communities, they can use generic phrases. While talking to people from the Muslim community, they must use these 40 phrases. The remaining 110 phrases will be decided in the next program, which will be held in Delhi or Rajasthan in October. On 3rd March 2019, Fasat Rahman gave a lecture about the Quran's teachings and Allah's story. The lecture lasted till 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. in the evening, after which everyone went home. For the first time, so many deaf leaders met. Their communication was very difficult. The hearing Muslim community uses the phrase Alhamdulillah. Similarly, deaf individuals communicate using the sign name for the phrase. The meaning of this phrase is, how are you? Just like the hearing Muslim community uses this phrase and communicates, deaf communicate by using the sign name of this phrase. To communicate with different communities, deaf people use phrases like, how are you? But with Muslim community, they use the sign name. IFD aims to teach children these signs. Once all the signs have been discussed and decided on, within a year or two, they will spread all over the country, hoping to make sign language for Muslim community same all over India.